Ronald Martin.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Please allow me again to read the TOSS. Whereas the influx of vehicles during the festival period often results in illegal parking along national roads, secondary streets, and designated no parking zones. This causes traffic congestions, impedes pedestrian movement, and creates hazard to motorists, festival goers alike. Whereas unobstructed roadways are essential to ensure the safe and efficient passage of emergency vehicles, public utility vehicles, and law enforcement units, particularly during large-scale public gatherings such as the Ateten Festival. Whereas the enforcement of traffic and parking regulations during major events is a fundamental responsibility of the local government to promote public safety, maintain order, and uphold discipline on public roads. Mr. Chair, kasi naging problema natin permihay, yun yun nga, nag-parking baga sa pinadilihan ng mga kalsada during the events. Ginaiwala niya tabi ng dahil kung namatay, nagkasala na ato ni enforcer, especially na ato niya kalibupin, kung paano na na mahata. So it's time siguro na dapat ay may unang kita nga ito nga malintahan or magkadlapit na siguro ang MOA with your juries agro honor. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Any comments from the floor? Honorable Attorney Cristin de la Cruz is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. It's just a query to the proponent of the resolution. After such vehicles will be identified as illegally parked and towed, for that matter, where will these vehicles be brought? Because in fact, we have not designated any parking areas within the municipality. Kung halimbawa nga ito man sanda, si nanda usuyon ang mga salakyan. Dapat ay may aton sigurong designated nga area kung sin tanang tayo magkahon ang will-i-claim nanda po sa kasakati. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you. Honorable Martin, may you respond?
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Well, in fact, may aton man nga lugar sa Naluo, which is pwede natin ito dawan ito ang ibutan o mabuhay natin yung masakyan. But the important, Mr. Presiding Officer, is makaubra kita at MOA with the tow owner. Ang ito ay may gamiton do aton Kalibog PNP. Kasi during our meeting, with regards to dahil nga sa traffic management, ay doing it na ng pinangayan. Ako hindi marami ito pang problema. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Okay. Follow up from Attorney de la Cruz.
Will it also be possible, Mr. Presiding Officer, that we enter into MOA with owners of vacant lots, that these lots be designated as parking areas for whatever cost, for free, or if they are going to offer it to the public, so that we will be asking everyone with vehicles to park in this identified parking area so that they will not anymore be parking in the prohibited areas.
Okay. Honorable Martin.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Well, in fact, may mga identified na areas na pwede sa naman park. Like for example, ikato sa dating Bulingan at Orita Bulingan. Na kumusiin ay pwede sa nakato kaya may pay parking mga Mr. Chair. Another one, identify ng kung pwede negotiate to Taganan tayo sa dating Kalibo or 88, Mr. Chair. Sa kilid na yan college. And iba pa nga lugar na pwede mo. So may utro mangyari ito, may wala mangyari ka lang na property sa ako sila na pwede mo natin nilitahan. Dati ay propose mo na naroon. So, abo nga pwede mo siguro na umutakan natin just in case na kailangan din natin. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. Any further comments on the floor? Hearing none, the proponent may move for the resolution's passage.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. I now move for the passage of the draft resolution number 281, a resolution respectfully requesting the local executive Mayor Juris Misopo through the Transport and Traffic Management Division Head, Ms. Vivian Leones, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the tow truck owner or company for the towing and management of illegally parked vehicles during the Caribou Senior Santa Maria Festival Celebration 2026. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Any second? Hearing no objection, the motion made by the Honorable Ronald Marte is hereby approved. Letter
107.7 Energy FM Kalibo.